Understanding hydraulic fitting, a simple guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating topic in the English language: hydraulic fittings. This might sound technical, but don't worry, I'll make it easy and fun to learn. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what hydraulic fittings are, but also be able to use this term confidently in your conversations. Hydraulic fittings are components used in hydraulic systems. But what does that mean? Let's break it down. Hydraulic. This word relates to a system that uses fluid under pressure to power machinery. Fitting. This refers to a small part that connects pipes or tubes in a system. So, a hydraulic fitting is a connector in a system that uses fluid to create power. They are crucial in many machines, like in brakes of cars or in heavy construction machinery. There are various types of hydraulic fittings, each serving a different purpose. Here are a few examples. Threaded fittings. These are screwed into the hydraulic system. Compression fittings. They use compression to secure two parts together. Crimp fittings. These are secured using a crimping tool. Understanding these types helps in identifying the right fitting for a specific hydraulic system. Hydraulic fittings have a wide range of applications. Here are some. Automobiles. They are used in the brake and steering systems. Aerospace. Hydraulic fittings are found in the control systems of airplanes. Manufacturing equipment. Many machines in factories rely on hydraulic systems. These examples show how hydraulic fittings are a part of many things in our daily lives. It's essential to use high-quality hydraulic fittings. Why? Safety. Poor quality fittings can lead to leaks or failures, which can be dangerous. Efficiency. Good fittings ensure that the hydraulic system works smoothly and efficiently. So, quality is key in hydraulic fittings to ensure safety and proper functioning. I hope this video has helped you understand what hydraulic fittings are and their importance in various fields. Remember, learning new terms, especially technical ones, can be challenging, but it's also rewarding. Keep exploring and expanding your English vocabulary. See you in the next video.